So we come here and we see ABS and CBN News. They come to do a video, I'm guessing, of the cockfight in different places. Closing down.
You're right.
Huh?
Unfortunately, you're right.
Yeah.
Because of the coronavirus.
So this is the cockfight arena. We were coming here because of a subscriber of ours, Joseph. So I just want him to see we actually come, and it's closed down because of the coronavirus. Now, I wouldn't have actually took video of the cockfight, guys, just for any future reference when we come back again. We'll come back at some point. We were just going to show you the excitement here and how they prepare the cocks before the fight. You probably know that whoever loses, the guy gets their cockerel, and that's the supper, dinner or tea, whatever.
Seem you excited to take a video here, right?
Yeah, I was really excited, but I actually said to Mel,
Yeah,
do you know what?
Before, yeah, you said.
I bet we get there and it's closed because of this corona thing. Because any venues above 50 people, they can't do it now.
There's lots of people there.
Yeah, there's a lot more than 50 come to the arena.
You know, the snow, right? The heat
Yeah.
here outside. Because normally, like for example, if we pass here, there's a lot of people. There's a
Oh,
lots of
motorbikes,
vehicles.
cars, it's
Yeah.
crowded.
It's crowded.
There's
here.
loads.
Now, there's nothing.
So what we've decided to do, guys, is if you look where the camera's pointing, this goes into Naga, and we've always passed these stalls and different things, and this is what makes the Philippines, you know, places like this, roads where people are doing these little stalls with food or ukay, all different stuff, just to make a few pesos, just to make a little bit extra. So looking down the road, guys, that's going to Naga. I'm trying to stop my pointing.
It looks like there's not a lot of people, right?
Now this is San Felipe.
Yeah.
It's about
I think
15 minutes outside of Naga
and
on a
then
motorbike.
Over there, it's in the going to Eco Park. You know,
Yeah.
Eco Park?
Eco Park's
maze,
there.
The maze, what's it called?
Yeah, there's a maze there. We're going to take the kids to Eco Park at some point. But this is one of the places I would consider to buy land. And if you can get any land this way, you want to consider it, because it's beautiful here. The air's fresh, not polluted. And up this road, again where we're pointing, is the hot springs. So you wouldn't be very far from the hot springs if you got something here. But even if you don't and get further out, the further out you go to the hot springs, the cheaper the land's going to get.
I want to live in Camaligan.
Yeah, Mel wants some land in Camaligan. I do as well, because it's near the floating restaurant. So we'll show you, we'll have a walk along, guys, because I know a lot of you like that type of video, and we'll just show you the different stalls along the main road. So we're on the main road going from San Felipe back into Naga.
Sobrang mainit. I'm gonna be melt.
Sobrang mainit, I know. It's very hot. So I just thought I'd show you stuff like this, which I love looking at. And I know it's a bit strange, but I'm a bit strange, so it goes hand in hand. So just have a look at this before we shoot off. And like, people are living in these. But they've got their own coconut trees, look. So we want to show you these stalls just along the road. So this is a house as well, look. People live in this. So I'm sorry if this video might be a little bit long because we're walking. I'll probably cut the walking out and just get you there.
Sobrang mainit. Look, my skin is color brown.
Stop moaning. She's always moaning. She says I moan. It's very hot. I'm melting. So, we're on the main road going from San Felipe back into Naga. And
Sobrang mainit. I'm gonna be melt.
sobrang mainit, I know. It's very hot. So I just thought I'd show you stuff like this, which I love looking at. And I know it's a bit strange, but I'm a bit strange, so it goes hand in hand. So just have a look at this before we shoot off. And like, people are living in these. But they've got their own coconut trees, look. So we want to show you these stalls just along the road. So this is a house as well, look. People live in this. So I'm sorry if this video might be a little bit long because we're walking. I'll probably cut the walking out and just get you there.
Sobrang mainit. Look, my skin's color brown.
Stop moaning, she's always moaning. She says I moan. It's very hot. And you've got these stalls all the way to the traffic lights before you enter Naga, and then it stops because they're not allowed. They're only allowed on here because the road's very wide here. Look at the beautiful flowers. Hello.
Hello.
Kumusta? Mabuti? Mabuti. See, she always takes the mickey out of how I pronounce stuff.
Favorite.
My favourite, that's not my favourite. Quickly moving on from the dried fish.
10 pesos for one.
Wow, that's cheap. Have you got some money? Should we get one?
It smells small.
Eh?
It's small, that's why it's cheap.
Oh yeah, but what do you expect for 10 pesos? So what's in the wrap smell?
It's thick rice.
Oh, it's just thick rice. Wow. Thick rice. And we got the sweet potato, which, as you know, is better than the ordinary potato if you must eat potato. And somebody asked me the other day, the bananas here, they're never very big. They're always small. Even the better bananas, which are a bit more expensive, they're never very big. Well,
Why small?
why
You think? Why the banana here in the Philippines small?
because the curry pot.
All about vegetables.
Yeah. So there's been a shutdown of any large gatherings. So any gatherings above 50 people or more, they can't do it. It's banned. So that's why the cockfights didn't go ahead. I know the guy who runs the venue. Have you seen that, guys? You've seen it on another video. It's a restaurant, and apparently the food's nice in there. So here we are, we're up to the traffic lights, guys, and this is where all the vendors stop. They can't go over the other side of the traffic lights because the road's not wide enough for a start. And there you go, there's all your fresh bananas. Them at the top are as big as they get. They never get any bigger than that. The mangoes, they're expensive at the moment, aren't they, the mangoes? Let's go and have a look in here. So you got your fresh ginger and stuff. You can get most vegetables. The carrots aren't very good here. I bought loads of carrots and they've never tasted like the carrots from home. Yeah, look at the size of the crabs, guys. They're never any bigger than that. And when you open them up, there's no meat. They're just full of water.
Boss, you like yummy fish?
Oh look, that's new. What's that fish?
I don't know. Pangasius.
Pangdicious.
Pangasius.
Is pangdicious masarap?
Masarap.
Sobrang masarap?
Okay, masarap na
My God.
Yummy.
So, all this, guys, is fresh. You can smell it's fresh.
Yes, yummy delicious fish.
So, I've never, ever getting ill, sick from street food because it's all fresh. You can tell by the colour, just like on the pork, you can tell by the colour it's fresh. It's absolutely, I love places like this. We always go for a look round. These are the biggest fish I've ever seen. They're not like this big in, I've not seen as big as this in Naga. They're all them little stinky, small little things. Yeah, it's little squid. I'll have a couple of squids worth. So that's it, guys. That's the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Lots of fresh vegetable, eggplant. I love eggplant, especially how Mel does it. So it's over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please
Subscribe and share our video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.